Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an example of double displacement reactions. So what are double displacement reactions? Reaction in which the exchange of ions takes place. Today I have taken two salts, one is potassium iodide and the other is lead nitrate. Now what I have done, I have already made their aqueous solution. This is potassium iodide and this is lead nitrate. So when we add few drops of potassium iodide into the solution of lead nitrate, let's see what happens there. See, you can see a canary yellow PPT of lead iodide. The precipitate is of lead iodide, right? So here there is an exchange of ions taking place between lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Thank you.